Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a wireless DMP smoke detector. Before I do so, I just want to let you know when you do twist this off and remove the smoke detector from its backplate, your keypad is going to go into a trouble alarm. When that happens, all you need to do is press any one of these buttons in this top row in order to silence it. So normally this will be mounted on a wall or on a ceiling, and you will just need to twist this off counterclockwise and pull down. And press any one of these buttons to silence it. Once inside, there will be a CR123 battery that you'll need to replace. Right now I'm using a small flathead screwdriver, and from the positive end, I'm going to insert my screwdriver and gently pry up on the battery. Once I have that battery out of its little pocket, I'm going to take my new battery and pop it into place. And then going clockwise, I'm going to twist the smoke detector back on. Just hit that button to silence it again, it's fine. And you twist it clockwise to go back on its base. There you go, the battery's replaced.